In this video, we will see how to configure the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi in Arduino Cloud. Okay, so when you open the Arduino Cloud application, you see this page. Let us say get started for free, and it opens up the Arduino board. For now, close this. Go to devices, and again say add device because this is the first time you are adding the device, and select the Arduino board. So here you have to plug in your Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board to your system in which you are running this application, and it tries to detect the device. Okay, you can see here we have connected the board and this is found. Okay, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi has been detected on COM7 and ready to be configured. Let us try to configure this board. Configure. Okay, let us say Arduino Uno R4 way to know. Okay, next you will see a device id and a secret key that will be generated for your board. So you can see here, to use this board you'll need a device id and secret, and copy and save them or download the pdf. Okay, so you can download it, and you can have it, and once done, you just try to click I saved my device and secret ID and then continue. Now you can see here, uh, it is just configuring the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board to communicate with the Arduino IoT cloud. So it takes some time. Let us just try to let it run until it configures. Once the configuration is done, you can see here the device appears and it is now offline, so we are not transmitting anything. So when you click, you can see all the data related to it. Okay, so in the next videos we'll see how to configure this device and work with it.